Not Palangle, not Palangle. So, Rodney Moncur, you're here tonight at Lakai. This is the grand opening. This is a very new restaurant and bar. So, just let us know what brought you here and also speak about the vibes. What do you see? What do you like? What you don't like? Why is Rodney Moncur at this grand opening tonight?
Well, I am excited to be here. I received a secret invitation. As you know, moi c'est leader secret pour tout le monde. So I'm here undercover. I'm having fun. I'm watching young people enjoying themselves in a very peaceful manner. And so I'm excited to be here, and I'm having a damn good time.
So what do you think of the atmosphere so far? What do you think of the atmosphere so far? Because again, you talk about the young people. This spot is actually owned and ran now by young people, young persons. Nobody near the age of 40. A group of individuals came together and put this together. So what do you think about the atmosphere? What have you seen? Talk about it.
Well, the atmosphere is very relaxing. It's very peaceful. And of course, it is good to see that a group of young people have come together and they are involved in business. And this is how you set the kind of economic foundation which will not only empower them, but generations to come. So it's a good atmosphere. It has a lot of cultural aspect to it. Listen, it's magnificent. And what I like about it, it's peaceful.
Awesome stuff. And this is the type of thing that